Well, good morning, everybody, and today is the big day. We're heading off to the Tractor World show at Newbury in Berkshire. We've left a little bit later than expected. A couple of things came up this morning which meant that we had a couple of hours delay, but we're on our way, and obviously we'll share a couple of the sights, a couple of the photos and videos that we managed to take from the day. So we've probably got another 2 hours worth of travelling to do, but hopefully we'll get a good 3 or 4 hours at the show, and we'll share as much as we can of that with you. So this is just a quick intro. Hope that you enjoy the video, and of course we look forward to seeing you on the next video as well. Cheers for now. It's good to see a good representation from Massey Ferguson. A number of different models on show, some of which I've never seen before. Right down to the 35s and of course the grey Fergies, finishing up with the TED20, which is the same as the one that we're restoring. And here we have a International Titan 1020, beautiful example, in fantastic condition, especially given its age. It's good to see a nearly original example of one of these. And of course the popular 434 McCormick International, bigger brother of our B276. This particular vehicle is used seemingly in Scotland and in the logging. Great original condition, a couple of historic photos there. No show would be complete without a collection of stationary engines. I was expecting a lot more. I'm accustomed to there being a whole paddock full of these at these kinds of shows, but not so many at this particular one. Here we have a very original condition B276. Very obviously a working tractor. It's great to see. And this has to be my favourite from the show. A fantastically restored B250. Now the B250 holds a special place in my heart because it was the first tractor I owned. But this particular example is just astounding. The quality and the attention to detail that's gone into this particular model is just fantastic. It's beautiful to see. Of course, this is what the link box was originally designed for. It was actually for carrying milk churns around the village as the farmer delivered the milk. Because these days link boxes are used for all manner of things. But again, just a beautiful, beautiful example of a 250. Number of Fordson and Dextras at the show. Again, most of them in very good condition. The older Fordsons. Sorry about the lighting in this part. I had the sun coming through the slats and playing havoc with the camera. And the big Forde 8830, which the camera really doesn't do this one justice. It is an absolutely humongous machine. Winner of its category, the Forde 7000, again, wonderful example. And here we have a very original, straight off the farm, Fordson, the obligatory baling twine, holding it together. It's interesting to see these at the shows. Of course, there are hundreds of tractors out there in that condition still working on our farms today. Lots of other interesting vehicles at the show. These few caught my eye. Parts of the body still made from wood. Very basic controls. Very strong chassis and drivetrain. And again, the wooden bucket at the back. Not too many John Deeres at the show. I think I only saw two, this one and another, outside. And then a collection of other smaller, almost construction vehicles. This was the only Alice Chalmer I saw. Well, that's about it for the show. Obviously lots of people selling their wares as well. There wasn't anywhere near as much as I was expecting. I was expecting parades, I was expecting some working displays. Perhaps those happened on the Saturday, I'm not sure. But look, we had a good time, and I hope that you've enjoyed what we've shown as well. Look forward to seeing you on the next video, and hope that you can join us. Cheers for now.